Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we have a whole lineup from IBlason. It is for the Galaxy S22 Series, and we're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today in the show, we have a whole lineup for the Galaxy S22 Series. So right now, let's take a closer look at each of these phones. Here are the cases for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Look at this. This is a new style this year. Beautiful. Look at that. It's like a marble with some gold going around there. It's kind of a goldish color. On the back, you have a built-in screen protector. All you have to do is remove this sticker here and set up your fingerprint. Around all of these cases, they have a beveled edge. Let me get a close-up look at that. It's a beveled edge, so when you put your phone case on the counter like this, it will not scratch the camera lens. This is beautiful. I just like that. And the feel, you know, it's kind of a nice feel. It's a non-slip grip on these phone cases. Very easy. This is a two-piece, so all you have to do is take this part off, put your phone in there, snap this part back on there, bada boom, bada bing, it's all set up to go. So you can see there's different choices that you have for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. You have a kind of a clear case with that silver going around there. Almost looks like a spider web. Kind of a pinkish color here. Marble. Golly, that just glistens in the light, doesn't it? Here you have a clear case. On this one, it does not have a back to it. It's just it's a two-piece right here. It's a two-piece, but it does not have a built-in screen protector. And kind of like olive color. And here we go. This is for the Galaxy S22 Plus. So you get that built-in screen protector. And you got this nice marble color here. Here's a blue one. So most of these all come in two pieces. Just put the phone in there and then snap that back on. Very easy to assemble. Once again, see here's that second piece that kind of goes around there. So this is a great lineup. This is from IBlason. And you can see the ports here on the back. You got your buttons. Beautiful colors. A lot to choose from. A great company, good customer support. Hey, what more can you ask for? Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. We had a pretty good time looking at these phones from IBlason.
And this was my favorite phone.
That one, that's for the S22 Ultra. Hey, I will have a link down in the description below where you can find these phones on IBlason. Also, check out my other videos. I'm going to have a whole lineup on the Galaxy S22 Ultra.
I like this one because when you look at it,
it's kind of a marble? Yeah, this is a really cool. Look at that. That is a favorite right there.
And when you look at it in real life, and you can kind of see yourself, and it's kind of cool.
Well, you're going to have so many to choose from IBlason. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.
Okay.